Welcome to the Introduction to Jet Appointments tutorial. Today, you'll learn what Jet Appointments is and what it does. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. Introduction to Jet Appointments, and 2. How your website uses Jet Appointments. Topic 1. Introduction to Jet Appointments. Jet Appointments is an appointment plugin that is installed on your website to allow customers or clients to book appointments through your website. The plugin allows for you to set available booking times, days, and automatically books out slots so customers or clients cannot rebook the same slot as a previous person has. With additional steps, it also allows for you to accept payments from customers or clients upon them making a booking. You can set which services are available to book, and of those services, which people or providers are available to book that service with. For example, here on the chiropractor site, you can select one of these services. For today, we'll select the spinal manipulation service. It will then show which providers are available to provide this service. You can then select a date, a time, enter in your phone, any comment you need, and then press book. Jet Appointments can also update these bookings automatically in a Google Accounts calendar. Topic 2. How your website uses Jet Appointments. Your website uses Jet Appointments by having created two things: a list of service types and a list of providers for these services. Once this is done, you can set up the appointments via the Jet Appointments plugin page. You can view the tutorials on how to set up each of these components in the Jet Appointments guides and tutorials. You've now been introduced to what Jet Appointments is and what it does.